Hi friends! We are going to read another story called Love the World. Oh, there's my doggy. Bye! Love the World. Love the world. Love your face. Love your space. Love your nose. Love your toes. Where's your nose? There it is. Good. Love your eyes. Love your size. Love your walk. Love your talk. Love giving a hand. Love taking a stand. Love yourself. Love the world. Love the, what is that? Bees. Love the trees. Love your ears. Love your tears. Love your hair. Love your flair. Love being kind. Love using your mind. Love making art. Love sharing your heart. Love yourself. Love the world. Love your giggle. Love your wiggle. Love your grin. Love your skin. Love the land. Love the sea. Love the earth. Love you and me. Love yourself. Love the world. You will meet many people and go to many places. You can always find something to love about yourself, the world, and everyone in it. Love yourself and love the world. The end. All right, friends, that was a pretty good book. I liked it. I hope you did too. All right, hope to see you guys soon. Bye.